Hi everyone, we have created our site and the site contour lines. The next step we need to do is then begin to model our terrain or our site proper. To do that, we need to move away from the 2D drawing screen or drawing plane that we are on and then move into the 3D drawing plane. And to achieve this, go back to the navigator and choose double click on ground floor story to be on the ground floor drawing screen. However, we need to draw on the site boundaries and contour lines that we created in our 2D working sheet. To do that, go to your navigator box and right click on the drawing sheet or the worksheet that we created, which is W01 site. Right click on it and choose show as trace reference. Now, when we do that, we'll notice that it comes up here. However, we cannot touch it. So it's more or less like a trace that we put under our drawing board or drawing book. Okay, so this is where we're going to draw or model our terrain on. In order to model our terrain, what we'll need to do is we will activate the mesh tool. The mesh tool is under the design in the toolbox. And to activate our mesh tool, we double click. When we double click on it, it brings up the settings. So this is the mesh default settings that we have in ArchiCAD. We will change the settings to suit the preference of our design. The mesh height here should be 2 meters. Type in 2. The structure will be solid body. Click on solid body. The building material, will leave it as soil. The home story to the offset to home story will have to be 0. Leave it at 0, but it will change later. The home story is ground floor current. The elevation to project 0 will be minus 0.1 minus 0.1. If you do that, you notice that the offset to home 0 changes to minus 0.1. Why do we want it to be minus 0.1? Because we want it to have a relationship with our foundation. Go down to floor plan and sections. In the ridge selection, under outline, we want it to show all ridges. So click ridge selection and select or show all ridges. Cover fill, we don't want to have any cover fill, so deselect the cover fill. Go down to model. For the top surface, we want it to override and let it be as green, but we want all the ridges to show as sharp. So for the 3D appearance, choose all ridges sharp. We'll go down to classification and properties. ID will be mesh 001. Structural function, non-load bearing elements. Position, exterior.